This 2018 Newmar Bay Star 3414 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, external shower, TV antenna, awning, self-contained, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, slide-out, skylight, stove-top burner, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2018 Newmar Bay Star 3414 is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.